We begin by unpackaging the 3 Apron Farmhouse display and removing all contents included inside this carton, such as the header graphic, display unit, hardware bag, and instruction sheet. Now that all items have been removed and the display unit is placed at or near its final location, be sure to perform a quick parts check in order to ensure that you have all items necessary in order to complete the full assembly of a 3-apron display. First, install the soap dispenser and faucet provided to you for this assembly. As there are many different variants of faucets that may be provided, you will find supplied to you in your hardware bag 2 plug caps should you receive any other variant aside from a triple stem faucet for this assembly. Now that the faucet and soap dispenser have been securely fastened to the display unit, you will then take the 2 knob screws provided to you in your hardware bag and insert them into the display unit as shown in your assembly instruction. Once you've accomplished this, slide the top sink into the sink flange receiving slot located under the solid surface countertop and secure tight to the countertop utilizing the 2 knob screws. Now that the top sink is securely fastened in its position in the display unit, we will now install the drain plug clamp. We will do this by placing the drain cap assembly into the drain on the top of the sink and securely fasten it from the bottom of the sink utilizing 1 drain bottom clamp and 1 wing nut. Please be sure to fully tighten the wing nut in this step. Next, to install the middle sink to the display unit, rest the sink centered onto the middle shelf of the display unit. Once you've accomplished this, utilizing 1 drain plug clamp, 1 washer, and 1 knob nut, we will fully secure the middle sink to the middle shelf. Be sure to fully tighten the knob nut in this step. Next, we will install the bottom sink to the display unit. When installing the bottom sink to the display unit, be sure to use caution as this sink may carry a bit of weight to it. A 2-person lift may be required for this step. To install the bottom sink to the display unit, place the sink onto the bottom shelf centered in its position. Then, utilizing one drain plug clamp, one washer, and one knob nut, we will secure the sink to the bottom shelf of the display unit, being sure to fully tighten the knob nut in this step. Now that all 3 sinks have been installed and securely fastened to the display unit, we will complete this assembly utilizing 4 spacers, 4 threaded studs, and 4 deco pucks to install the header graphic to the display unit as shown in your assembly instruction.